Hey, it's Dr. Rose, board certified naturopathic doctor, and I just heard that everyone's talking about something called fiber maxing. I guess it's blowing up on TikTok and Instagram, and people are piling their plates with fiber like never before. But does it really support your metabolism, or is there a catch? Let's talk about it from a naturopathic and pro-metabolic perspective. So what is fiber maxing? Fiber maxing is all about maximizing your daily fiber intake, loading up on fruits and veggies, legumes, seeds, whole grains, you name it. And for once, nutritionists are cheering this viral trend on. So why it's actually good? I'll tell you the good parts about it. As a naturopath, I love that fiber maxing is getting people excited about real food. Fiber is foundational for feeding the microbiome, supporting detox and hormone balance, regulating blood sugar and cholesterol, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. So yeah, this trend has a lot of upside. But here's where I put on my pro-metabolic lens. Not all fiber foods are created equal. Flaxseed and beans, they're promoted in this trend, but they're not really pro-metabolic. Flaxseed is extremely high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Beans and legumes are hard to digest for many people. They contain lectins, phytic acid, and other anti-nutrients that can stress the gut lining and block mineral absorption. So yeah, they check the fiber box, but they're not necessarily good for you. So what to focus on instead? If you want to fiber max in a pro-metabolic way, focus on ripe fruits like oranges, papaya, berries, gentle fiber plus antioxidants in those, squash, carrots, beets, pumpkin, cooked mushrooms. They help clear estrogen, as well as the raw carrot salad that we always talk about. These foods deliver fiber without the metabolic baggage of PUFAs and heavy anti-nutrients. So I love seeing wellness trends that nudge us back toward real food, and fiber maxing is kind of on the right track, but just don't copy what you see online. Bring in that pro-metabolic wisdom and choose the fibers that fuel your energy and your hormones, not the ones that slow you down. So are you going to try fiber maxing the pro-metabolic way? Drop your favorite fiber food in the comments. I'd love to see if it's a fruit, a root, or something new you've discovered and how you're preparing it. Make it delicious. And please subscribe to my channel for more interesting health content like this. I do specialize in women's health and hormones, so check out some of my other videos if you're interested. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, let me know what's going on with you, and stay tuned for another episode of Dr. Rose's Health Tips.